Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm doing a pour for a collaboration with a Facebook group that I'm in, the Little Pouring Art Family. It's a really fun group, so if you're an acrylic artist, or I think you can paint as well without doing the fluid pouring, you can join the group if you'd like. It's on Facebook. And once a month we do collaborations, and you don't always have to join in on them, but if you want to every month, then they draw names for each month. Somebody different who wants to participate gets to choose the technique and all the rules for that collaboration. So it's pretty fun. So every month it's something different. And every month somebody else gets to choose something different. So it's really fun. So if you're interested, please go and join the group. It's in, like I said, on Facebook. It's called Little Pouring Art Family. So anyway, this one is our July collaboration. And I apologize, I'm doing this on the 3rd of July. So if you hear fireworks outside, I apologize for that. The neighbors are blowing up some stuff. I get scared a couple times. It sounds like a bomb going off. So I don't know what they got over there, but anyway, so for this collaboration, we have to do a marbling effect technique, not using marbles. Has to be a 16 by 20 inch canvas, but I apologize, I don't have a 16 by 20, so this is a 20 by 20. The colors we have to use is white for our base, and then we layer with the white, gray, metallic gold, and then one other color of our choice, which I'm going to use black. I'm using Artist Lost Floetrol black, and then Artist Lost Floetrol white, and I'm using these two to make my gray. I'm using Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold, of course, one of my faves. For my base is just the Artist Lost Acrylic Flow white as well. I have to have about 14 ounces of paint in my cup. So I'm going to use this Dixon, I don't know, whatever you call this cup. I can't just tell you, went blank, but I think this is a 16 or a 19 inch cup, something 18 ounce cup. So not 18, not ounces, not inches. So I'm going to layer. Let me get a paper towel here because I make a mess when I make my pours, when I pour into the cup, especially when I have this big old container. Done a few flip cups, and they turn out so awesome, but I've never done like the flip and drag or flip and lip, whatever you want to call it. So let's see, here we go. I always make a mess, my goodness. This is terrible. I wanted to put some white out here just so I have enough to get it to flow on the edges here. I'm just gonna kind of go over a little bit just to make sure this is all covered. I'm gonna tilt and all that stuff as well, but just in case it doesn't go over all of the edges everywhere. what? I can't believe it's already July 11th. Ugh, time flies by so fast, it's ridiculous. Before we know it, summer will be over. My niece came home from work and was talking about buying Christmas presents already. I was like, what are you talking about? But I guess a lot of people get head starts, and I always say I'm going to do that, and I never do. But then when Christmas gets here, I wish I would have. All right, so here we go. I'm trying to think here. Then I'm gonna flip it this way. Gonna be pretty, all that gold in there. Hopefully the gold doesn't take over, but if it does, that's okay too. Wasn't really sure what color to use with the gold, because you had, her colors were gray and metallic gold, and then you got to pick one other, so I wasn't sure. I kind of almost thought about going with like rose madder color. I think that would have been really pretty to do, but then I thought, no, black. Then I can get more of the marbly. Fingers crossed it turns out good. All right, so let me just put some of this down here. Just to give it a little bit more to flow with here. You know, there's plenty of paint, but this will help it move along. All right, here we go. Hopefully it doesn't get too many cells. That's what I was kind of afraid of because I've been watching a lot of videos on how to get like this marbling effect, and pretty much all of them did the flip cup. But whenever I've done the flip cup, like I've always gotten some really, really, really amazing cells. But this is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. And I would take this for a countertop. Let me get some paper towels here to wipe my hands off. Oh my God, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. I just want to put a little bit of black on this corner here. Let's see if this one is okay. Looks like I put a little bit there. I really like it. I really, really like it. I don't think I'm going to torch it because maybe I should just a smidge. I don't want to get too many more cells to pop out, but this is gorgeous. But I do want to get those air bubbles. I don't want to have beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me bring it down for a close-up. There's more people from our painting, or the little, my little, I'm trying to think what it's called. My little pouring art family on Facebook. In the description below, I will put everybody's names and their links to their channels. So you want to go and check everybody out, that would be amazing. But just look at that. It's beautiful. I would love a countertop that looked like this. That gold shimmer in there. Just look at the shimmer in there. Even the gold that's underneath that we can't really see. Look at that. Oh, it's so sparkly. There's like shimmer everywhere. Oh, I just love 24 karat gold. You can't go wrong with it. Can't go wrong. But I do thank everybody for watching, and like I said, I'll put everybody's links to their channels or Facebook page. Some of the people in the group are they just do paintings and put their video on Facebook or their stuff on Facebook, so it'll take you to that. And otherwise you can click on somebody's name, it'll take you to their YouTube channel. So I do appreciate everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and you will like and subscribe and share. All that fun jazz. Miss Pink is ready to get out of the art room. But I thank everybody for watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye. Okay, everybody, here's the dried result. It's beautiful. The gold is so shimmery. Look at those amazing cells. Love it. Sorry about the shadow. So beautiful. These ones here have lots of little shimmer in there from the gold. And look at that. Oh, I love all that shimmer. But thank everybody for watching. I will put in the description, we'll have a link to all the other people that did this collaboration from the Little Pouring Art family. And I hope everybody will go and check them out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.